To start, you're going to type in WeVideo.com in your browser and it'll take you to this page. You need to click the Login button. And it'll take you to this screen where it's going to give you a couple options to log in. You want to log in with your Delaware City Schools Google account. So you're going to click Google, and then choose your Delaware City Schools account. Please do not choose your personal account because it does not provide you with the upgraded subscription that we have. It will take you to the home screen, and as a note, if you see the word upgrade in green at the top here, that means that you have either signed into your personal account or you have not been added to our WeVideo member list. If that's the case, let your teacher know and we'll get you squared away.